How to make money reviewing Hulu shows online. So the first thing that you would need to do is create yourself a blog or YouTube channels or your TikTok account that focuses on show breakdowns, recaps, and reaction. So after creating yourself that account, what you can do is simply open that particular platform, and then from here, obviously make sure you have your Hulu Pro. If you don't, you can simply get into your profile right here, then tap on upgrade to Pro, and in here you can now buy a plan that you want. We have monthly, yearly, and if you tap on select a different plan, we also have the option of lifetime. If you tap on continue, you will be able to get into the further process of how you can pay out for this plan, right? So after paying it, now you'll be able to watch all of these shows, and you can simply open your YouTube or TikTok and then start screen recording these shows or start recording your reaction, and like that you'll be able to make money being a blogger, a YouTuber, or a TikTok creator that focuses on show breakdowns, recaps, and reaction.